At ACT, we work closely with our industry partners to ensure your system will stay cool and operate safely and reliable long term. However, we also know your system requires more than just thermal management. Our board and chassis level thermal assemblies are offered as turnkey solutions, providing our customers with a one-stop partner that's dedicated to quality and high-performance deliverables. From machining and plating to hardware installation, to heat pipe integration, our detail-oriented staff will assure dimensional accuracy, mechanical functionality, and of course, thermal performance. Whether you are in early design or production, contact ACT today to see how we can add value to your project.